Now picture this, it's Monday morning and you're heading to work, driving peacefully in your E46, sitting back, relaxing, but then, all of a sudden, 30 seconds later, you'll find yourself on the side of the road, staring at your car in pieces. That's basically what happened. But no, there's no time for sadness. This car needs to get back on the road whether it wants it or not. And in this video we are gonna rebuild this car until it looks like new again. As soon as I got the car unloaded, I started dismantling the car like a madman. The sole purpose was to get everything apart and then take pictures of every broken piece. Next, go to realoem.com and create a list of all the part numbers for all the broken parts. This way you have a clear list to make it easier to order all the new parts. And 3 weeks later nearly all the parts had arrived. And we are doing this properly, with only the best OEM parts, as most E46 parts are still being produced by BMW today. And luckily I managed to find a perfectly usable front radiator support on eBay. You might argue that the old one could still be bent into place, but given the fact that this one had already been replaced and was made out of steel instead of aluminium, I decided to get a replacement one. The new OEM hood, that is very expensive by the way, got professionally painted for a laughable price of only 80 euros. But I mean, look at these results. This paint looks amazing. This guy really wasn't kidding. But enough talking for now. It's time to finally fully rebuild this car. So sit back and enjoy the time lapse. Let's go! And now for the pièce de résistance, the hood emblem is finally getting installed. And let's do this ASMR style. And here we are, my once broken E46 is now fully reassembled and ready to hit the road again. The hood in particular turned out amazing. In broad daylight the paint looks so good and the spacing of the body lines is perfect. And just listen to that perfect alignment. Wow! If you liked the video, consider leaving a like or even subscribe. I will be very grateful if you do. This video took 2 months to make and cost me more than my monthly paycheck. And the only things still missing are the kidney grills. I have a pair of chrome ones that are still on back order. In the meantime, I'm running these ones that I stole from my parents' car. I will now give a complete cost rundown of this endeavor. And the windshield was the only part covered by insurance. Otherwise it would have cost me around 700 euros extra. I really hope that you liked the video. Be sure to drop a comment if you have any questions. See you next time. This has been Project 46.